Hi everyone, today I'm very happy to show you our first iteration of our scraping agent that help you to build scraping pipelines. Let's see it in action. So you can go to our website ScrapeGraphAI.com. After that you can log in. Once you log in, here you can see Spidy agent, this new tab in the dashboard. And here you can chat with our agent in order to build scraping pipelines. So first of all, let's assume you want to extract data from this website. So I want to build a scraping of keyboards, or scraping of the name and the price inside this website. And as you can see, it provides the code in a very fast way, and also it helps you to the different our SDK, ScrapeGraphAI, and also the JavaScript SDK, and it helps you step by step on how to use the scraping respect to the ScrapeGraphAI client, respect to the different languages. So I can use also to navigate our documentation. So what are other endpoints for ScrapeGraphAI, and here it gives you some reference. So basically we have the other endpoints: smart scraper, search scraper, that helps you to search in the web without knowing the URLs that you need, and also Markdownify, and some for the user. Here it explains each of them, and also you have the references from our code, from our documentation. So this is our first iteration, and keep it an eye, because something very magic is happening with this agent for the next month. Happy scraping! Bye.